Sheer enthusiasm and healthy competition is witnessed at all levels of competition. So, all the players play their games with full spirit. The only problem this game face is lack of funds. So, the game Paralympics faces only one problem, and that is the lack of funds, the lack of money. There are few organizations who wish to support this cause, and there are only few organizations who really wants to support this noble cause, and the Paralympics are still struggling, and so Paralympics are still struggling. They are striving to get equal treatment as non-disabled Olympic athlete. So these Paralympics are still struggling to get equal treatment as the Olympic athletes. The number of participants for the game has grown in large proportion, from a mere 400 in Rome in 1960 to an estimated 4,350 from 160 countries participating in the 2016 Paralympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So the number of participants has grown in large numbers, from 400 in Rome in 1960 to an estimated 4,350. So in 1960 the number of participants were 400, and in 2016 the number increased to 4,350 participants from almost 160 countries. So we can see that the number of players increased in large numbers. This shows how popular the games are. They are not just games but a platform for people who are physically challenged to show their potential. So Paralympics are not just games. So it is a platform for the disabled people to show their talent, to show their potentials. The Paralympic Games work on the motto Spirit in Motion. So the motto of this game is Spirit in Motion. Each Paralympic game has its own symbol and motto. Each Paralympic Games has its own symbol and motto. The current symbol for the Paralympics contains 3 colors. So the symbol of Paralympic Games contains 3 colors, that is red, blue and green colors. That are these 3 colors, red, blue and green colors. They are most widely represented in the flags of nation. These 3 symbols circle each other to show agito. The word agito means motion. It shows the efforts of bringing people from all over the world together. It shows the efforts of Paralympics for bringing the people from all over the world together. The Paralympic anthem is Hem el Avenir, or Anthem of the Future. It was composed by Thierry Dernis. And that's all for this chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter nicely. Best of luck for your exam.